Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of Public Art School, Clark's Public Art School. I'm here and we're gonna draw a ShapeScape, and really you just get a pencil or pen or like a piece of charcoal in your like cave wall, and you just like start making lines and drawing stuff. And you can pretend that you're on the phone with somebody, but there's not much to it. You just like start drawing shapes, having fun. I believe in you. You too can draw weird shapes on a surface. Wow, this one's really kind of triangular. I try not to have too much of an idea of what I'm going towards here whenever I'm drawing. I just kind of start doing stuff and then see what happens. I don't know about this line. That's a weird move right there. But what if, so that one goes like that. What if this one goes like that? Oh, that's just crazy. All right. Okay. I can roll with that. Oh, some more triangles. Wow. So creative. All right, how's it looking over there? Oh, more triangles. Oh my God, what's he gonna come up with next? Some triangles. Oh, that's just Okay, let's see. This guy could be like maybe a triangle. Okay. Oh, I'm channeling my inner Charles Barbier, one of my dear artist friends, and he's quite a character, and said lots of funny stuff. Had a running dialogue with himself and everyone around him of silly stuff being said. Is that too quiet where I was talking? It's perfect. Are we recording our ad libs? Were we recording just now? If you know what that's from, then you're cool. I don't know how many more triangles I can draw on here. Might be closing. About to shut this baby out. All right. I think I'm all triangled out. Oh wait. Oh, here we go. Boom. Let's see. Y'all didn't see that one coming, did you? Okay, I like that weird effect. Yes. I'm so glad I looked up and saw that. That was so sweet. Okay. I mean, I could keep drawing triangles, but I'm kind of running out of space over here. Okay, here, more triangles. The name of this episode is Drawing Triangles. Wow, that swipe is just, that is awesome. I love that swipe. So if y'all are ever wondering how to draw triangles, oh, what the heck, that is so tight. I love it. Oh my God, yes. Okay, I'm out of room, but I'll just keep on since we're in experimental mode right now. I'll just keep on drawing. What other kind of weird ass effects do y'all got up in there? Hey, Jen. All right, let's see what we got. Oh my God, that is so trippy. I guess I should have put my phone down earlier. Okay, more triangles coming right up. I got you. I'm gonna squeeze one in here, just barely. Oh my God, that looks so cool. Yes. I've got Dan Cardon in the video booth back here, cutting up. Oh yeah, I should give some credit. So that sick drum solo at the beginning is Simon Lott, a New Orleans musician that I'm friends with from childhood. Oh, I like that weird like black outline like behind my arm. Creeping along here. Well, if you didn't learn how to draw triangles with this demo, then I believe in you and you will learn how to draw triangles someday. The important part is to put an angle in you take a line and you put an angle in it and like you pretty much almost there. You don't even have to have a straight line. Look at this line. This thing's so curved. All right, that's not our triangle, but I really am. I'm like trying to squeeze them in here, but this chalkboard is just falling apart right now. All right, what do y'all think? You inspired to get your own drawing utensil and make some triangles?
Yay!
You can do it.
Yay!
All right, thanks for coming out, gang. It's been fun, y'all.